Marketing Services Private Limited. So currently I'm in KIADB residential zone. So this video is related to the owners who are interested in selling out their properties in KIADB if you have purchased. You may contact us, we will connect you with the brokers. By the way, we are not doing any resale directly from our side, but yes, we have just recently got tied up with a couple of resale brokers who are interested in selling out the apartments here. So they have done pretty well. A lot of owners have sold out their apartments, and if you are eagerly interested in selling out your property in KIADB, don't forget to reach us to our number, which will be sharing in description. And as well as those who are interested buying a primary unit, can directly contact us. We will be assisting you in the pre-launch projects in entire Bangalore. Don't forget to follow us on Telegram, everyone. So we have some videos there, important information. That's it from our side. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everybody.